In this video, I'll unbox and demonstrate the Win3921 16-inch 2-direction variable speed scroll saw. I got this on Amazon for the bargain price of around $110. Currently it's one of the highest rated scroll saws available for under $200. It has a 4.5-star rating with over 3,000 reviews. It only takes a few minutes to set up right out of the box. All you need to do is straighten the cutting table, connect the air hose, attach a blade, lock it in place, and you're ready to go. It comes with 3 cutting blades. 2 have pins and a third blade is pinless. To add or replace a blade, simply unlock the clamp on top, then press the blade holder down and it should pop right out. When putting on a new blade, you will need to make sure the bottom pins go in the slots below the table, then push the blade holder down to latch the top pins. Here's a view of the slots below the table. Also, make sure the teeth of the blade are facing toward you. Here's what it looks like when installing the blade on the top slot. Notice how you push the blade holder down, then release it when the blade is in the correct position. You will know the blade is correctly installed by tapping on the side of the blade. It should be firm and may make sound similar to a guitar string. The on and off switch has a yellow safety key that must be inserted in order to start cutting. After you turn it on, you can change the speed of the saw by adjusting the dial to low or a high speed. If you're wondering how quiet or loud this saw is, here is a demonstration. Overall, it really isn't too loud at all. And that's about all there is to it. If you have any questions or need any help with this saw, please leave a comment below and we'll do our best to help. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and random videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.